then also as another update, we got this beast here. I haven't showed this thing on YouTube in forever. I don't think everybody's ready for this one. Just a truck LS. It's not bored or anything, but it got rebuilt on the bottom end, and we used all ARP studs and bolts on the top. It's got this custom sheet metal intake from eBay, custom sheet metal valve covers from eBay. No headers or anything yet. It's cammed, got timing cover, new oil pump. The interesting part about this is it's different. The water pump here, because of the lower rise intake here, the water pump, the normal one for the truck, wouldn't fit. So this is actually a C6 Corvette water pump here. Just a slightly modified upper radiator hose. And then to get the pump to match up right, we got some billet spacers to space the pump out. And then the idler here was a little too far forward after the whole procedure. So I ended up grinding down these tabs on the back here and making it fit flush so that the belt doesn't squeak and stuff anymore. It still squeaks a little bit, but any built LS I've ever seen squeaks a little bit. And I think plans for the future for this thing is an all steel braided fuel line. I just adapted to the steel one back there. Nylon, quick release, and then into the fuel rail. I got the crossover in the back so that you can't really see it. Plus it wouldn't fit with the alternator up here up top. It's a pretty normal work truck. My uncle pulls trailers with it all day, and he says it's been doing great. We do plan on getting HP tuners and tuning it. Got some stuff back here. And then let's go on and walk back here, show you what else we have back here. Dang! What is that? That's a clean GS400 right there, man. Thing's super clean. Look at this thing. Super clean GS400 right there, man. Dang, man. Still got fresh leather. What's up with this? My 2000 GS400. I'm just messing with you guys. Stickers, you know, add horsepower. My BMX helmet in the back there. Let's go fire this truck up so you guys can hear a little bit of lope. Oh, my uncle's playing with the Corvette. Yep, just your standard work truck here. I had to find the key real quick. Sorry, guys. I'll go on and start this up. It does have a check engine light, but I deleted the purge valve and we haven't tuned it out of the ECU yet. Never likes the first turn. Runs pretty normal. Sorry for my shaky hands. Try and go back here to the muffler real quick so you guys can hear it. Can't really hear anything. It's quiet, bone stock exhaust, just a little cam and some ARP head bolts, so if we wanted to do something we could later on. Here, I'll go ahead and set this down and give you guys a couple rest. Anyways, that's about it. No 2JZ videos today. Figured I'd catch up on everything else. Anyways, thanks. Bye.